Alright, so guys, on today's video we are making a short sleeve design. We are stitching, or we are sewing a short sleeve design. This fabric is a different this is the fabric that we are using it for the short sleeve design. You see the wideness of it is almost 2 inches, right? And the length is 12 inches. So we have folded it into two. Can you see the length right here? 12 inches, because the mouth or the wideness of the sleeve mark is 12 inches. Let me measure it for you to see. That is 12 inches right here. So we are going to put it on the map and stitch it all through to get the or to make the short sleeve design. So this is the place that is gonna go inside, or the wrong place, and this is the place that is the right place that's gonna come outside. So we are stitching it. This fabric, both the front and back looks the same, so we are stitching it on it. Just watch the way I'm doing it and you will be able to know exactly how to stitch these short sleeve designs. So guys, without wasting my time, we are about to get lit. So we are stitching it on, let's say, a 1/4 inch, or almost a 1/4 inch. We are stitching it straight to the end part. Right, so guys, we have done first one. So left with the second sleeve. Let's see, like, we have done the right side, so it's left with the left side, right? So we are bringing this one to stitch it, right? Just like we did the first one, the same way. The way we did the first one is the same way we are going to do this one. So let's get it done without wasting time. Alright, so guys, now we have done stitching it, so we are cutting the excess thread from it. You know, understand? We are cutting the excess thread from it. So now guys, we are going to open it like this, upper like this. We are going to put it down this place. See, it was like this, so we are going to put it down and iron it, both the two, and to make the short sleeve design. Alright, so guys, after ironing it, you can see the way it's looking after adding making the short sleeve design. So this is the short sleeve design. If you fold it into two like this is exactly the short sleeve design. You will stitch it the back afterwards. You have done the shirt and you are joining the sleeve, you understand? So this is how to make a short sleeve design. So if you like this video, kindly follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.